Okay, here's the diesel heater. Okay, and we're going to run it off of a solar generator. So we're going to hook it up just to show you how it works using one of these. This is a Grecell T-500. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's turn on DC. Okay, light is on. Now it won't power just off of that at the start, and so there it is. And then turning it off, it won't turn off just with that. So what I'm using is a jumper pack. Okay, it's at 81%. It doesn't take much, and I'm going to clamp these. Okay, there's ground. There's this guy. Okay, now when I connected it, it shows jump start ready. Anyway, there it is. And now let's turn it on. And it might use 1%, 2% to start. But I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, it's been not too long, just 20-30 seconds, and it's still warming up the glow plugs. You can hear it clicking, the jump box. Okay, here we go. Gonna start smoking soon. There it is. Once the glow plugs warm up to a certain temp, it'll be cleaner, a cleaner burn. And this is my setup. Still on 81. Okay. Okay, there we go. And it's still at 81%, so it doesn't take much from the jump start pack. It just needs that extra juice, because just starting from the Grecell Solar Generator, it keeps shutting down. It won't start up the diesel heater. So just wanted to show you, because I wanted to figure out myself and I didn't find any videos online, so here you are.